If you're struggling to find layers within MapThat, you could search through the trees or any subtrees and manually locate that layer. In addition, we have a Search Data Layers tool. In this example, we're going to search for some planning apps within our current project only. No need to look for the same layer in multiple projects. Let's type the word planning. It filters the layer list based on that value, and it says which tree within our Liverpool project that layer is located. We could go and find that layer and tick it on ourselves, or press Display Layer, and the layer is ticked on and added to the map. So here are our planning applications. If we're now interested in another layer, maybe sites of special scientific interest, but in this case we're going to look in any other project, so we untick Searching Current Project. We type our layer name, which is SSSI. It lists multiple layers across all projects where SSSI is part of the layer name. We're going to choose the top option here, and then we're going to choose the project in which that layer can be found. So by choosing the project, if I now press Display Layer, this will give us the option: would we like to close our current project and open up the new project? Yes, we will. And finally, a secondary option, either allowing us to keep our current map location, which was Liverpool, or to use the map location that is the default for the new project. So in this case, I want to go to the default of my new project. I press Use Project Default, and notice how the new project is opened and the SSSI's layer has auto displayed within the map.